Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll be unboxing the VOLTRX Shaker. So if you're tired of shaking that shaker cup around, you're gonna wanna use this for the smoothest protein shake in town. Special shout out to my client Aaron for gifting me with this product right here. So let's get into opening it. All right, here is the main shaker itself. We're not gonna be fancy, we're just gonna tear that right open. Wow, look at that. That is pretty cool. It's lighter than I thought it would be for an electric mixing shaker. So let's actually open this up. We're gonna clean it out and then we're gonna show you what it's like to shake a protein shake in this bad boy. So what comes in the box is the shaker itself. Here we have the charging cable. It is USB-C. Oh wow, very nice. Here we have the lid, just like a typical shaker cup. It's gonna have a twist off screw lid to keep everything nice and locked in. Next here we got the shaker itself, VOLTRX, and all right, here we go. So in here is a silica pack, but in here is the main piece itself. Interested to see this in motion. All right, so what's gonna happen here typically is you're gonna drop this guy at the bottom. You're gonna screw it in like that. Then we're gonna put our ingredients in, close it up, press the button here, and we should have this thing mixing up very nicely. So let's get ready to try it out. Oh wow, it even has some power and some juice in there right now. Look at that spinning. Nice. So we've got some water in the shaker here. We're gonna put a scoop in and we're gonna shake it up. I got some protein here. Let's see how it works. So we're gonna drop the protein inside and we're gonna throw the shaker lid on top. And normally at this point, you're gonna think you're gonna wanna shake it super hard to get it nice and smooth. But here, we're just gonna actually press the button, which is located at the bottom. And we're gonna press it here. I'm gonna watch it shake up. As you can see, it is shaking up right now. Very easy. Saves you some elbow grease. Wow, looks like it's shaking up really nicely. Gave me a good consistency. And it just finished. It took about maybe 20 seconds of twirling around. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna taste it. Wow, that actually tastes better than normal. The consistency is really good and the flavor is really showing out. Here I actually have some Limitless Supplements maple brown sugar and it is delicious. That is delicious, no clumps, tastes really nice and very easy. Guys, if you want to see more videos on this shaker, then definitely subscribe to our channel, turn on post notifications because this will be my new workout staple. I hope you found this video helpful and I'll catch you in the next one.